second quarter of 2026 is here. And guys, I know you people are really very eager to give IELTS examination as you are approaching for your September intake or January intake. So let's get started. What are the expected questions in different modules? As we always follow LSRW pattern, so I'm going to keep it same over here as well. In your listening portion, the most important thing that is going to come up, don't be static about the pattern of the exam as is used to be. First 10 question completion type, last 10 questions completion type. It is not the same now. There are multiple questions which are seen in each and every question type. So be ready and prepared for it. Other than that, map questions are expected to be seen more. So if you want to prepare well, be ready with the maps. And in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to solve map type questions. There are different accents that come up. Earlier, it used to be some static Western accents, but now we can also expect Asian accents in the exam. So be prepared with it. Talking about the speaking portion of your IELTS examination, in part 1, you may expect questions related to daily routines, hometown, work, study, your house, friends, music, and technology. These are the topic you talk about every day. And in part 1, your natural conversations are given more consideration. In part 2, that is cue cards, the question will be expected more related to people, like someone who inspires you, someone who has given you motivation, someone you admire. So related to some trip, the recent trip you went to, or you're planning to go, any journey you would like to describe. Other than that, we live in 21st century, the generation of technology. So please expect questions related to technology, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and everything. Last but not the least, your likes and dislikes are always given importance in IELTS. So be ready with all the categories of your likes and all the categories of your dislikes. May it be books, may it be studies, may it be food. In your reading portion, what's more important is not keywords anymore, but your understanding of the language. So be ready and prepared with the language that you are using rather than simply just saying the keywords. Also, guys, same concept that was there in the listening part. No fixed patterns are going to be there in the reading portion. So any question order is expected anywhere. Please be ready and prepared for that. Coming to the writing portion, in academics writing task 1, more questions will be seen of the mixed graphs rather than anything else. So it can be a mixture of a table or a graph, a pie chart or a line graph, a bar graph or a line graph. So get ready, be prepared, and if you still face any issue, just contact us today. In writing task 2, the topics are going to be more related to technology, environment, crisis across the globe, healthcare, and globalization. So, day to day topics which are going on around us, these are something which are expected. These are just the predictions, guys. So, don't think that these are the only questions which are going to come up. If you need any practice questions related to any question type, just comment down below. We'll give you some specific questions which are going to help you out in your exams. Guys, the USP of IMA is we take everyday speaking practice of the students. So if you want to join us, you will get everyday speaking practice for each and every module, may it be IELTS or spoken English. So contact our team today in order to enroll for the classes. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more questions, just let us know. Bye-bye.